So first up, let me show you a landing page. So one of the things that we do in our Diamond program for folks in the Diamond group is we build them landing pages. Here's a landing page we've just built. This is actually a wicked product. Look how friggin' sexy that is. What a great product that is. So this is a landing page that we built for one of the folks in our Diamond program. So we build them landing pages using lead pages. We do that for them. And we also set up Google AdWords for them. That's all something we do in Diamond for folks in Diamond, all right? But if you're not in Diamond, no dramas. You can just do it yourself. That's what a landing page looks like. Very, very sexy. I mean, the stuff that they put together is just super cool. Anyway, I don't want to harp on about that. So how do you link that up? Well, you've got your URL, your direct URL for your product. So if I just come into Google AdWords, you set up a Google AdWords campaign. So this is not for the same product, of course, but I thought I'd show you this. So let's just do ads. And when you set your ads up, make sure I get this one. Let's do this one. When you set your ads up, you will set up what's called the destination URL. No tracking template. Naughty, naughty. Final URL, or what's sometimes called the destination URL. Well, that is your landing page. It's as simple as that. So you build your landing page, no matter how you're doing that. This one just happens to be built on lead pages, but you could just have easily have decided to send them directly to this page, for instance, and this would be your landing page. Landing page just means the place where you end up after you've clicked on a link, okay? Could be just as easily that. So that would go into the final URL just there. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.